I'm ready to kick my girlfriend out because all she does is scroll TikTok and blow my money, but dumping her might turn me into the villain who left her homeless. I, 24 male, met a girl, 22 female, in a community college class when I was 20. We came from very different backgrounds. I was middle class trying to find a cheaper way to go to college, and she was living in almost poverty going to school because she was forced to by her parents who were threatening to kick her out. She dropped out about a year into her schooling while I continued and finished. During her first year we formed a relationship and she moved into my apartment more or less. Her relationship with her parents is pretty much non-existent and she has little to no outside friends besides one or two women she knew from high school, who are deadbeats in my opinion. I make around $80,000 a year so we live relatively comfortably, but there's still some strain on finances. I can't exactly say when I started losing feelings, but the fact that she refuses to work, will not cook and wants to eat out every day, does not want to go to school,